Hello, beautiful souls. This Reiki healing is here to meet you wherever you are in life's journey. This incredibly loving and healing energy is here to uplift you through any struggles you may be facing, any challenges, any difficulties. This healing energy will help you return to your most deepest truth, that you are love, and that you have never been separated or cut off from love. And your spirit guides want you to know right now that you are being supported in unseen ways, even though the road may be long and difficult, that you are loved and you are being held, nourished, guided, and kept safe and protected. And this Reiki healing is an invitation to return to balance and harmony within yourself. Just keep taking nice and deep breaths while this energy washes over you and works through your body, nourishing every cell, flowing into your heart, dissolving all blockages, any boundaries to love. You are safe here. as the temperatures begin to get colder, as our Earth Mother prepares for a nice long nap through the winter months, we too are being called right now to soften, to quiet our minds and our thoughts, to go within and look deeply into our own internal waters, to peer courageously into the depths of our own being, not only to unpack the lessons, the challenges we've faced over the past year, but to also acknowledge those wins and accomplishments, the relationships and beautiful connections that have lit us up and sustained us. Even those things that didn't turn out like we had hoped. For there's love running throughout all of that. So I invite you to allow yourself time for a sacred pause. Allow yourself time to listen, especially during this healing session. Listen to anything that is coming up for you. Any emotions or feelings that you haven't had a chance to sit with. Any feelings that you may have been pushing aside. Now is the time to really listen and feel it all. And I want to remind you of something very important here. That as you feel those emotions, don't become those emotions. Remember that you are the beautiful, loving awareness experiencing all the joys and all the sorrows of this life. You are the one feeling it, moving through it. Just don't become or latch on to anything heavy. Feel it and let it move through you. Visualize yourself as a rock in a stream. Sturdy, strong, letting those emotions run like currents all around you. Feeling them but not becoming. I know I've said this before, but I just want to remind you just how loved you are through all of it. Whatever you've faced over the past year or years, whatever suffering, trials, or challenges you've had to endure, just know that you are always so loved. This is the beginning of the season for shadow work. Even though shadow work is a year-round practice, this is truly the time to have that sacred pause and go deeply within. And I invite you all to tap the link in the video description if you are looking to truly go within and heal and alchemize the pain, the suffering, back into love. I have a powerful, new, and transformative course in my community, the Lantern Fox Healing Temple, called The Alchemy of the Shadow. It's all about shadow work. And when you join my community, you will be with a group of souls who are all on the spiritual path, who are all working on healing, embodying the best versions of themselves, and learning powerful practices like cultivating greater stillness, awareness, healing of the shadow, Reiki and energy work. So if this sounds appealing to you, and if you'd like to work deeper with me in my own spiritual community, no matter where you are on your path, you are welcome. Simply tap that link in the video description below, and I can't wait to see you there. In my community, the Lantern Fox Healing Temple, we have weekly group calls with live Reiki and guided meditations, as well as a growing library of my own personal guided meditations available for you, as well as courses like the one I mentioned earlier. But for now, let's take a very deep cleansing breath together. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Just let it all out. Release. And I thank you all so much for sharing this energy with me, because Reiki is such an incredibly healing, nourishing, and loving energy. It's an energy that has completely transformed my life from the bottom up. It's a loving, so incredibly loving energy from our Creator that has not only sustained me in everything that I do, has opened me up in new ways to allow me to be more confident, to be more healed, to live with my heart more open, to be able to let go of trauma and pain and anything that was blocking me from my own wealth and abundance. It's an energy that really brought me back home to myself as a creator, a manifester, and a reflection of the divine. And so I'm eternally grateful for each and every one of you walking this path with me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you're interested in connecting deeper and walking alongside me in the Lantern Fox Healing Temple, I invite you to join me. Thank you for being here with me today, and I hope you have a wonderful and amazing week.